And what's up guys, back at it again with another episode. Today we are going to be putting together this B-roll set that I got off of Amazon. I'll show you guys real quick what it is. So this right here, I went on ahead and brought this B-roll set, and yeah, off of Amazon. So I'm gonna try to put this bad boy together today, because as you can see, I got all my stuff still lingering around. All that's got to be gone, so I can at least have some more, space. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything out the box, and we'll go from there. So as you guys can see, I got everything laid out on the bed. Therefore, all right, now we need to get. Look at this fool! Look at this fool! Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay, so we actually need to go ahead and get, which I'll show you on the paper now. So a lot of shit. But basically, we're gonna need all these panels. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start with the side panels and then work my way through. I gotta see what screws I need, and we can go from and we can go from there. All right, so it's saying for me to use A, which are these little black things. So yeah. We have to get 1, 4, 3, 5, the whole fucking 1 through 10, I guess. And then you're supposed to hammer these shits down. But, I got my good old drill here as my hammer, so that's good enough for me. So yeah. And then from there, we're supposed to use the little drawers, and they're supposed to get the little black pieces too. So black pieces everywhere. Black lives matter. You know how it is. So as you guys can see, I got both sides done with the railing. I kind of skipped a step because it made no sense to putting on the board first and then do the railings. Like, no, I'm not doing that. So now we'll go back and put the boards on now. Alright, so what you guys saw in that last clip, we basically put all the slots in for number 7, put number 8, number 6, number 5 and 4 in here, and basically put screws number C in, which I'll show you guys now. So after this step, I'm going to, that was step 4 too, by the way. I'm going to move on to, let's see, and this is direct, like I was telling you before, what I used. So yeah, pretty much this was straightforward, even using the C. So that was step 4. I have to go back a step, as you guys can see. I'm about to go back and do this number 3, which I believe that's step 1 or 2, because it's saying that you got to screw it in from the bottom of that, put that middle piece on. So give me a second, let me find that, and I'll find out what I got to do for that. Okay, so I went ahead and add the rails on here on piece number 3, and I did it on both sides, bolted it, well, glued it down. That's my low and short with some screws. I don't know if you guys can see. Yep, there you go. Screws and a little tap in that goes on top there. So I kind of had to modify it because I did it wrongly. So yeah, it's in there. So just a little modifications. So that was step 3. We get ready to skip all the way to step. All right, guys. So the next part is to take this screw, because this is basically the top. Hold on, let me show you. This is the top part of this whole dresser. We're gonna take the screw and screw it down into this hole. I think it's 1, 2 right there, 3 there. I got some good lighting. 4, 5, 6. 6 little holes right there. And direction says focus. These are B's. And then I gotta get the J for the little hook things to put on here. So, yeah, about to do that now. As you guys can see, the top is on now. And we are going to be moving forward. So now we're going to put the back part on. This ain't nothing but basically a hammer and some eye. You need an eye pin and hammer already. Like, you know, put it around on the back. So basically we're just gonna put the back piece up on here, put the little tap things around here, and we should be good to go. And that's gonna be this. Yeah, that's it. So got the back put on. Now I'm getting ready to start on these drawers. I'm gonna face this bad boy up against the wall. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now we're about to assemble these drawers. Remember, when you assemble these drawers, you want to make sure you got 14, 15, 12, and 13. But that's only if you buy this kit, and that's only if you follow directions. So always look at your directions, basically. Pretty much I'm going to need a few things for me to do before I even get started with some things. So it's going to start off with this 11. And I guess go ahead and put the little drawer handles on. So yeah. So all I got left now is these 2 top drawers, and that should finish it. Alright guys, so as you can see now, the drawer's been put together. Everything is good to go. We should have no more problems. And we should be good from here on out. So you guys take care. Hopefully you guys like the video. Comment, share, like, all that good stuff. See you on the next episode of Low&Slow Garage. And probably do another build on something else. So, yeah. Be looking forward to the next episode. Peace, guys.